how does your organization's climate strategy align with our event's focus on governance and finance?
Yes, thank you for that question. See, climate leadership, climate should not be seen as a weather, is what I would say. Climate is more of a strategy, and it's not just applicable to industry and assets. It's now moving from being a asset based assessment to now how do we make it more people centric and how everyone gets impacted by it. And the vision that we are looking at is where everyone knows and understands what kind of climate risks they can encounter into day-to-day lives, while also ensuring that we don't put pressures on the resources that we are utilizing, and where India's own climate goals, be it net zero by 2070, or ensuring that we build a resilience in the country would be very important. And it's important that as a country, including corporates to citizens and government and policymakers, we all collectively come together to uh, solve this as a challenge. And it's not an individual, it's an individual responsibility rather than putting it on either or stakeholders. So platforms such as CGI bring people together, and it gives a platform for everyone to understand different perspectives and brainstorm and see where and we can go as a solution. And I think that's a great way of doing things, and rather than working in silos.
A few words about Team Marksman and your experience at the event.
Uh, my experience has been great. It has been well organized as an event, and with all the organizers, I think the way the sessions were planned, they made logical sense. The kind of audience that we had today, it was a mix of policymakers to corporates to even other consultants. So it's bringing in all people together. I think that's good about it. I think as Max Media, you've done a good job in capturing and kind of putting it out for others to know, and not just the people who have attended this event today.